their names again? Who was it?
Raymond,
What did they do? They went tumbling down. And Miss Courtney said,
two fell down on Dylan.
right, Angel? Two boys fell down and Dylan. And Miss Courtney said, wait. We have to be
Safe.
Look at my paper, boys and girls. Look at our paper.
It's ginormous.
It's humongous. And we're gonna. I know, it's a little ripped. It's okay.
It's giant than
You're gonna
teacher's
be.
paper.
I know, Jaylen. We're gonna be in the story. So I'm gonna grab you all and throw you in the story. Are you ready? Okay. So let me. Thank you.
I don't want to go.
Okay. What room are you in? Room
210.
Room 210. And today's date is
I got you gonna write your name.
9-11-19. I was gonna write Miss Courtney, but this is our story. So it's room 210 story. Right? Isn't that cool? So here, one day, here's your door. And it says room 210. There's the door, right? And Miss Courtney came. I have a crazy ponytail today. Miss Courtney came and she said, do you see Miss Courtney? And she said, hi boys and girls, do you want to play? And these are speech bubble because Axel, I was talking to you. Do you want to play Ring Around the Rosie? And here's
right in there.
I know, but Miss Courtney doesn't want to forget my story, Axel, so I'm going to just sketch my picture kind of quick. Because these circles are you. This is you, boys and girls. Okay? And after, like this here, this is Jaylen. I'm going to put a J for Jaylen. This is Benjamin. Right? This is Victoria. V for Victoria. Okay, and when we go back, Miss Courtney can label some more. Okay? So one day Miss Courtney came to room 210 and said, good morning, boys and girls. Do you want to play Ring Around the Rosies? And what did everyone say?
Yes.
Oh, and then we stood up.
Upside down.
Okay, then we stood up and we got in a what? Circle. You ready? Okay. Here's our big circle.
Don't forget me. You forgot
Okay.
about me.
Hold on.
But me too. Me too. We don't have eyes. Me too.
Hold on. Not yet, okay?
We don't even have eyes. That's me. You
Don't
do
worry.
it fast, teacher.
I know because Miss Courtney doesn't want to forget how our story is going to go. And then I'm going to go back right now, okay? But I want to draw everybody in the circle.
You do faster than
Okay. Phew, do you see our circle?
Where's
Okay,
mine?
so now here's Miss Courtney. I'm going to put Missy next to me. Is it Leah or Leah? Leah. There's L for Leah. Here's John. J for John. Joaquin. J for Joaquin. Angel. A for Angel. So you see how everyone's in our story? Here's Avery. A for Avery. And see, we're all holding hands, right?
You have to do the other.
I know, we will do the other. But then suddenly,
But not me.
what happened?
You didn't see me or me.
Suddenly, what happened?
Teacher, you didn't all
Don't worry,
Teacher,
Axel. We'll do it right now. Suddenly, when we said we all fall down, what happened? Who was being silly? So here we were, right? We said we all fall down. And we were falling down. But then my friend, Joaquin, decided to be silly. And look, he went tumbling like this. he went S-H, shouty like this, and he fell down. And here's Miss Courtney, and what did Miss Courtney?
I did too.
What did she say? Wait, we have to be
safe. I still fell down. I thought you were gonna go.
Wait, my friend too. Raymond.
Even Axel.
Raymond was being silly R for Raymond, and he went boing.
And me.